Hello. So I figured this might be a bit of a easier way of explaining kind of what's going on in TVs that I'm working on. Kind of a boomer method, but whatever. Jeez, it's kind of weird looking through the phone screen and then at my cursor. So I was starting to recap more of this TV. I got the first can cap out, and the cap that failed open was C1, and there's only one capacitor in the C1 cardboard cap. Looked really nasty. Actually, no, it didn't fail outright, but I think it was leaky. But anywho, that one goes to ground through this cap, and then boom. Now, the cap that did fail open, which I was trying to say was, I think, C2 square. Can't quite see that. So that one failed, and that went to a 120 volt source. So if you look down here, it says that there are about 4 arrow connections to 120 volts for the B plus distribution. So would this explain the horizontal issues I was having, or is this just something else? I still need to get these replaced. I learned that I was told that you actually, well, is that X11 and X12? Hard to read this. Yeah, it's X11, X12. Do you, because those are germanium, actually, from what I was reading, which is one, not 1N, yeah, 1N34AS. So apparently I have to replace them with germanium diodes because of the voltage drop being only 0.1 volts, not with a 1N4007. Voltage drop for silicon diodes is like 0.5 or something like that, and I think for the germanium ones, in this case, is like 0.1. So I'm going to have to wait on getting the germanium diodes first before I replace these, but certainly worth checking out. I would have probably gotten through this sooner with the diodes, but some of these diodes are in pretty crazy places, but we're moving along here. If I have to replace every diode and capacitor to get this thing working, I am prepared to do it. Ready to get up close and personal with this thing. And there's more to come. So we're just getting warmed up for this year. Quite a challenge, though. My goal, like I said, is to get all 4 TVs fixed by the end of the year, and the Heathkit computer and floppy disk drive unit you saw in my earlier videos. So Zenith color tube TV, Ford Philco hybrid color tube TV, the Motorola tube color TV, and the Heathkit solid state color TV, and the Heathkit computer and floppy disk drive. Wow,